ComfyUI Workflow series. Integrating AI in an animation production, using render passes to guide image generation. First we need some very basic modeling in any 3D software of our choice. Then we need the outline pass, selection pass, and the depth pass. Once we have the three renders, we bring these into ComfyUI. The selection pass masks out the different sections of our image, whereas the depth pass and the outline pass goes into two control nets. And now we can use different prompts for these sections. Now WesImply need to play with different prompts, k-sampler value and the seed value, and generate endless possibilities. Character sheet workflow. First we need a pose sheet. I created one from OpenPose. Now we need to describe the kind of character we want. The more precise the prompt, the better the results. The first result that we get is quite low in resolution. The eyes and mouth lack details. Now this image is passed through an upscale node and we have much better detailed facial information. It is further passed through a face detailer node and facial expressions are generated. That's all. We have our model sheet. Now we need suitable prompts for this workflow for any kind of character generation. Image to 3D model workflow. This method first creates an image based on prompts and then generates a 3D mesh from the image information. Here are a few more examples of this workflow. The mesh resolution is dependent on the GPU that is used. The more powerful the GPU, the better the results. It is perfect for generating base mesh for sculpting and for assets to be used in the background. Image style transfer workflow. Let's suppose we have a concept art, but we are not sure what style we should go for. This workflow comes in as a huge time saver. This can also be used for children's book illustrations, BG plates, character concepts, and so on. WesImply need to plug in our concept art and any style of image we find on the internet and let ComfyUI do the magic. Image out paint workflow. Here we have an image and for some reason we need to extend this image from the left, right, top or bottom. Not a problem. We need to put in how many pixels we want the image to extend and in which direction. Here if we compare the newly generated image, we can see how nicely the image is extended. This workflow is very useful to create 360-degree images for backdrops. Sometimes we have a horizontal render and we need a vertical version of the same render for different social media platforms. This workflow is a lifesaver. Installed locally. No paid applications or hefty subscriptions.